I say own people, I means your own friends. When I say own people, I mean your own neighbors. When I say own people, it means the people around you, youth as well as the senior citizen. When I say own people, I mean the all the organization with which you are connected all through, the people, those who are working in those organizations, they are your own people. Just use the already videos available on the Crime Free Bharat mission. Whatever the video you find, it is most suiting to you. That should be shared with your friend, right?
Sir.
And if they agree, ask them to take a pledge that they will be adding the 10 people. And if this chain continues, in 9 days we will become 100. Do you know that? Sorry, 100 crore. Do you know this or not?
Yes.
I will just explain it. Say, let's start that today we have started this exercise, and Maithili Sharan Gupta has added 9 more people, and they have been given the pledge or they have taken pledge. So I will become 1 plus 9 today. First day I will become 10 or not?
Yes.
Okay. Second day 100. Third day 1000. Fourth day 10,000. Fifth day 1 lakh. Sixth day 10 lakh. Seventh day 1 crore. Eighth day 10 crore. And ninth day 100 crore. And do you know, out of 140 crore, we are only targeting 100 crore, right?
Yes, sir.
And there is no age limit. So even 3 years boy or 4 or 5 year boy can also join. Absolutely no problem, right? Now, on ninth day, 90 crore people are joining, and our target of 9 days complete on the ninth day. So 90 crore people need not to join anybody. Just they should join without adding any additional member. Still, we will be reaching to the figure of 100 crore. So 90 crore people need not to add anybody. Only 9 crore people had to add 10 people. Only 90 lakh people has to add 20 people. Only 9 lakh people has to add 30. Only 90,000 40. Only 9,050. Only 960. Only 90 70. Only 980. Only one person Maithili need to add 10 each every day for 9 days 90. I have already added more than 1490. Now, is it difficult? And by doing so, what we are saying, that we will put our first expectation to the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So we will climb on the rooftop and will say, hey, Narendra Modi ji, please जो है ना make 21 task force, and you don't bother, Maithili Sharan will guide them, right? So you give a post of the national advisor for the crime free Bharat with the 21 objective, and it will be my job, without giving any botheration, to have the technology and everything is in place without bothering either Narendra Modi or his bureaucrat. However, everything which will be done, it will be approved by Mr. Narendra Modi only. So he is not being bypassed. He will be the main decision maker, and he will get the credit for the work of the crime free Bharat. How do you react to this whole proposition, Mr. Vishwajit Sinha?
Sir, it will be a great one, sir, if it could be done.
Okay.
And
Now let's say Narendra Modi जो है did not जो है ना paid any heed to it, right? He did not agree to it. So what is the problem? We are already 100 crore. 543 people who have added, maximum number of the people, we will prepare a merit list of them. We will say them they are our Chandragupt. We will go and deliver the ticket of the Sansad in their home, and we will climb on the rooftop, and without spending even a single penny, they will be elected as our representative, the member of parliament. And Maithili Sharan Gupta, along with the 543 companion, will sit in the parliament and will do the whatever we are pleading from Narendra Modi. Why we need to plead Mr. Narendra Modi when he is not paying heed to it? Now you tell me whether the second part is equally easy or it is difficult. In whole exercise, whether you have to do any protest,
No, sir.
whether you have to take out any procession,
No, sir.
whether you have to submit any petition to the collector, SP or any officials,
No, sir.
whether you need to put petitions to any ministers, home minister or prime minister,
No, sir.
whether you have to file any PIL in any court of law,
No, sir.
and whether you are spending a 5 penny or any penny for this.
No, sir.
Is it difficult or it is very easy?
Not at all, sir, difficult.
Then what for we are waiting? When Maithili Sharan Gupta is there, 5,300 odd jo hai, videos are there, and technology has been created, models has been created, then why we are suffering? Should we not alleviate our suffering? Why we should suffer unnecessarily? Why we should have the colonial rules and law? And I am saying, why we should have this set of the politician, those who are neither educated nor they are having any vision, they are criminals. Do you know how many criminals are there in your parliament of the 2024, which is just getting concluded? 44% member of parliament, they are of the criminal record. And 29% of them, they are having the very heinous offense like Brijbhushan, Hatya, Dakati, loot, kidnapping, Balatkar. Is it not very shameful for us that these bloody parties, they are giving the tickets to such ruffians? Is it not pity on us that we are not coming forward? When somebody is giving you the hope, somebody is showing model, if you are having any question, ask Maithili Sharan Gupta. We can have the live session also, Mr. Vishwajit Sinha. If you are interested, we can have live session, because the people will be more impressed, because you must be knowing that whatever is we are discussing, it is being recorded, and by tomorrow it will be uploaded in the Crime Free Bharat mission. So have you seen the Crime Free Bharat mission on YouTube?
No, sir. I have not gone through any of YouTube's.
Okay. So do you use YouTube or you don't use?
I use it.
Use it. So may I request you to kindly go on YouTube and search Crime Free Bharat. Just search Crime Free Bharat.
So in that case, sir, of course, many things.
Just a minute. I am trying to take you somewhere. I mean, it is my every word jo hai is intended with some action and output.
Right, sir.
So I mean, just you do it. I mean, it is not unintended. It is not for the self glorification.
Of course, sir. Crime free means, on the words, yes, this is crime word.